Hi, thanks for joining me. Today, I'm going to do a really short, and I mean really short, abbreviated review of the this particular item, and I'm reviewing it because it is, I guess, it's something that I'm not very adventurous. My husband is. He loves trying new stuff. The more exotic, the better. But this product stopped him in his tracks, and this is why. So let's see. He purchased two of these. Of course, I love the way they said, let's see, it says fresh cooked noodles. So these are already, the pasta in these are already cooked. And it says sauce, vegetables, and toppings. So everything is in here except meat. So if you want meat, then you have to get your meat. But this is all your vegetables. It says easy Asian meal, complete meal kit, pad Thai with Thai ribbon noodles, ready in 2 minutes. So you pop it in the microwave, you just hit the little button. They even give you a fork inside. All right. This is great for if you are on the go, traveling, or you just decide you want to eat this for lunch and you want to change up and you want a hot meal, not some um, cold, whatever it is you can eat cold, or some takeout. You decide you want to do this, and it's only 2 minutes. I'm not sure how much it costs, but he got it at a bargain. So it says there's a 7.1 ounces of fresh cooked noodle pouch. Then you have a sauce packet. Then you have a vegetable packet. And then you have the roasted peanut toppings. So that means if you have allergies to peanuts, I would not try this, even though it says it's in a packet. Now, I did not see him open it up. So it says try other K-Me Asian meals. Also, you can visit a retailer, find these at a retailer near you, or visit their website. So let's go a little bit deeper here. All right, these are just the other ones that they have, a chili mango and a teriyaki, sesame teriyaki, with the different types of noodles. They have seaweed noodles. That's the one I have here with the spinach vegetable noodles. And then they have Hokkien. I'm probably not saying that right. Hokkien or Hokkien noodles. All right, so let's get on with it. This is what it looks like. And I'm going to uncover it so you see it. I love flat noodles. These noodles are a little big for me. I like my noodles much thinner than this. He didn't finish mixing it all the way up. And that is because, believe it or not, he could not stomach the smell of it. So as you can see, he has not finished mixing this up. And I mean, it really looks like it is delicious. The taste, the smell, however, is grotesque. It smells like the inside of a horse stable. I kid you not, with all the trimmings and fixings on it. It smells like the inside of a horse stable. Okay, I kid you not. So that's what it looks like. And if you mixed it all the way up, it wouldn't look like this because he just didn't mix it all the way up. And see, there's some more of the sauce there concentrated on that side. He couldn't take it. So he refused to eat it. I've never seen him refuse to even taste it. He normally tastes the food. Even if it's something that he may not want to eat, he will taste it anyway because he's always curious about the different foods. So he will try it. But this time he refused to eat it. He says he could not eat it. And it smells all over the house. So I put the lid back on it. and I decided I would do a video for it. It says 230 calories per serving, 470 calories per container. Serving size is 1 cup, so it has 2 servings in here. This thing says pie Thai with Thai ribbon noodles. Enjoy the classic sweet and savory sauce. One of the best known dishes across Thailand and the world. Paired with Thai ribbon noodles and ready in 2 minutes. These convenient K-Me Easy Asian meal kits are the quickest and most complete way to enjoy authentic Asian flavors and tastes. So I wanted to see exactly what's in this thing. So we know that's the Thai noodles, and they have the normal stuff in there. Wheat, it does have wheat gluten in here, safflower oil, non-dairy lactic acid, rice flour, vegetable. The lactic acid, they're saying non-dairy lactic acid is a vegetable source. So those are the noodles. Nothing sticks out there. But here is the sauce. Well, let's go a little backwards. Hop over here. The sauce has the most stuff in it. So let's do the vegetables. The vegetables are made up of scallions, carrots, bok choy, bell pepper. I love those. And also they have a topping, which is roasted peanuts. So you don't really have to use that. And then it says contains wheat fish, anchovies, peanuts, soy, shellfish, and shrimp. So that's the topping. So remember, like I said, if you have an allergy that is for peanuts or nuts, I would not use this. And that may just be the packet for the topping, but I'm a little iffy on that. But it does have gluten in there, so some people are intolerant of the gluten. And if that's the case for you, then this is not for you. So now let's read the sauce. The sauce has water, cane sugar, minced onion, minced garlic, fish sauce. The fish sauce is made up of anchovies, water, and salt. It has peanut butter. And there you have it. So if you have an allergy to nuts, especially peanuts, do not use these. Do not eat these at all. Soy sauce. The soy sauce consists of water, salt, soybeans, and wheat. Okay, and then we continue on with the list. Soybean oil, shrimp paste, and the shrimp paste consists of shrimp, salt, palm fruit oil. And then, of course, we have this gluconatone and whatever that is, and cornstarch, citric acid, red bell pepper, and I don't know how to pronounce this, xanthan gum, chili powder. That's what's in the flavor packet. So it doesn't sound like something, I don't know. What I do know is it has peanut oil in it, or peanuts or peanut oil, peanut butter in it. So don't touch it if you have an allergy to peanuts or nuts. That is in the sauce packet and the vegetable packet. So if it or the topping, it's in the sauce and the toppings. So that only leaves you eating the noodles and the vegetables. And in that case, you may as well just use something else. But I kid you not, it smells like the inside of a horse stable. And that's why it's full. So that it may be a complete everything, but unless you, I don't know. Try it at your own risk. That's all I can say. And this looks really promising with the spinach vegetable noodles, but we'll see what happens when he musters up the oomph to try this one, because I'm not going to try it. All right. So that's a quick review. Thanks for joining me. Don't forget now, hit the like button. Also subscribe to the channel And if you hit that notification bell, when I drop a new video, they will send you a notification to let you know. All right. Thanks for joining me. Until next time.